Hi, I'm Jeff Tackney.
I'm Jen Tackney, and we're Team Tackney. Today, where are we, Jeff?
We are at 12781 Wild Goose Street in beautiful Garden Grove, California.
This home has been freshly painted exterior, freshly painted interior, has smooth ceilings, all new PEX plumbing, completely repiped, dual pane Milgard windows. We can't wait to show you the inside. Come take a look.
Come on in.
We hope you enjoyed the tour of this Garden Park Plan 5 home.
And for more videos, remember, subscribe to our channel below and give us a thumbs up.
Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.